Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you, or show you, how to enable keyboard light in Acer Laptop. Or how to turn on the keyboard backlight in an Acer Laptop. This is a very easy and quick tutorial, friends. Just follow me. So now, let's start. As you can see now, my Acer keyboard laptop is turned off or has no light. Now, let's turn it on. Let's find the FN key. The FN key on a keyboard stands for function. Mine is here. And also, let's find the backlight key, or keyboard light indicator. Mine is located here. Press and hold the FN key, and press the backlight key to turn it on. Like this, friend. Here it is, friends. You can also adjust the brightness of your keyboard light by pressing the backlight key multiple times. That's it, of how to enable keyboard light in Acer Laptop, or how to turn on the keyboard backlight in an Acer Laptop.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.